Namaskar, I'm Gogi from How to Do It. Today we're gonna talk about that how to use these type of Granero wireless microphones or any wireless microphones with your mobile phone. In now few days, as you can check out, you can get many kinds of wireless microphones nearby you, and you can use them for making videos, vlogs, or anything like this. Now, how you can use and what to keep in mind while using these type of wireless microphones. First of all, as you can check out, you will receive a receiver and a microphone along with that. In many scenarios, you get two microphones and a receiver. So, as you can check out, when we switch it on, it starts blinking like this, and that means it's trying to connect to your mobile phone or camera. Then what we have to do, we have to connect these type of receiver on our mobile phone. But keep in mind that many receivers have to charge them, but Carnero ones do not need any charging to these devices. So I'm going to inserting that device, and its connection will automatically connect to that device. 1 second, it will stop blinking in just 2 seconds, as you can check out. Now this mic is connected to that mobile phone, and we can record anything via this microphone, as you can check out. And for that, if you want to use this microphone, you can keep on your side. And if you want to make noise cancellation, keep in mind that you have to use that noise cancellation if you requires silence, because in many times you check out that you want to want to your peoples or your viewers to listen to atmosphere too, because atmosphere is very important. If you are traveling anywhere, then atmosphere is very necessary, but if there is too much of sound, then it's very bad for them. So what we can do, we have to press this button. Now it's noise cancellation is on, and you can feel the change in my voice too, because it's electronically removing noise from your audio. So if you press this again, now you will hear a little bit of extra noise, but your sound is also increased and in a good way. It's not electronically adjusted. So in many scenario, you want to make your sound something echoing, like that you are doing something alone in a room, or you are in a well or anything like that. Then you have to press this button for 3 times. 1 2 3. Now as you can check out, now it is in echoing mode. Now you are you can check out my sound is echoing, and you can keep this microphone via the clip on your shirt. If you are vlogging, you can go many far as you want, and you can enjoy the glitch free sound. So you can check out, that's the way how you can use. And if you want to stop the echoing, 1 2 3. Now as you can check out, oh sorry, as you can check out, the echoing is switched off now. So that's the process. That's how you can use any wireless microphones for your camera, for your mobile phone. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Hope you learned how you can use wireless microphones.